All right, let's crack open the ultimate strategy guide for the game of social interaction.
Feeling like every social encounter is a boss fight you just can't win? Yeah, we've all been there.
This isn't just some old book. It's the guide you need to seriously level up your social skill tree.
Okay, level 1 is the no crit zone. This is a foundational skill, so pay attention.
Carnegie's point? Criticism just makes people defensive. It's a move that almost never works.
Think of it like this. It's a low-yield attack that makes NPCs hostile. Total waste of mana.
Next up, level 2. Time to equip a serious charisma buff. Sincere appreciation.
This quote totally nails it. At our core, every single one of us wants to feel important. And look, this isn't about flattery. Genuine praise actually boosts morale and opens new dialogue options.
Okay, level 3 is all about designing quests that people actually want to complete.
The secret is super simple. Think about what they want, not just what you want.
So show them the reward. Frame your request so they get excited about what's in it for them.
Level 4, we're about to unlock a seriously OP skill, active listening.
Man, this quote is a game changer. Seriously, just stop talking and actually start listening.
It's basically an XP multiplier. Ask questions, let them talk, and watch your relationship points skyrocket.
All right, level 5. This one might sound simple, but it's super effective. The smile emote.
It's a universal signal that just says, hey, I like you, I'm glad to see you.
And the best part? It costs 0 mana, but gives you an instant rapport buff. Seriously, it works.
Ready for a secret level?
This is a pro gamer move for some next-level influence.
Here's the cheat code. Plant the idea, then let them take the credit. You get results with 0 resistance.
So, how do you start grinding? Here are your first 3 quests to start practicing today.
And hey, your loot drop is ready. I made a one-page strategy guide for you. It's free in the description.
If this helped, smash that like button and share it with your party to boost our guild stats.
So let me know in the comments, which one of these skills are you going to unlock first?